Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Crafty Nonit. Today we will make a big paper flower backdrop. For that we just require two paper chart of any color. See here I have taken yellow and orange color. First I am drawing a petal shape on yellow color. I have folded the chart paper many a time, and see, when I have cut it with the help of a scissor, 5 to 6 petals came out. Similar in the same manner I have folded the orange chart paper, and now I am drawing petal on it with the help of a pencil. After that, cut the petal with the help of a scissor or a cutter, whatever you want to use. Now paste the petal like this with the help of Fevicol. Even you can use hot glue also. Similarly, paste yellow petal also like this. And now I am putting the yellow petal inside the orange petal, in between it. Make sure the yellow petal is in the center. Now one by one I will paste all this orange petal together with the help of Fevicol. You can see here my pattern is ready. Now I have taken a cardboard, and on that, with the help of a circle, I will cut two circles. One is of bigger size and one is of small size. And now on that, with the yellow chart paper, I will cover it. I will paste the smaller circle in front and the bigger one at the back, so that it can provide a proper support to the flower. And here you can see my paper flower craft is ready. How beautiful it is looking. Please do subscribe to our channel and do like our video. Thank you.